Alrighty, there's the AC unit all sealed around. Needs a bit more cleanup work, but it's good enough for a test run. So cables ran. This is the temp probe for the room. This white one right here is the temp probe that's inside the unit up in right there. Remember, there's a 2-minute timer before the compressor kicks on. Compressor just kicked off at 35. Took 22 minutes. Alright, here we go. Here's the finished cleanup picture of everything. That snap is the box. It's just always done that. Now on this SF104, they make an SF102. It is for refrigeration only. I didn't figure this part out till after I had already got the SF104. The SF102 is slightly cheaper, but the 104 has a built-in defrost. So that instead of just a walk-in cooler, you can make this into a walk-in freezer. You hit this button up here and it will manually force or stop a defrost. Get the paper around here. On that port number 4, you can hook up a heater that will go up and melt the ice off of your coil, because once you get below freezing, it won't defrost on its own. You've got to have a heater that will melt the ice off of the coil. And then you hook your fan to number 3, and so it will automatically shut off your fan and turn on your heater, and then shut off your heater and turn your fan back on, so you're not circulating hot air in the room, and the compressor won't run if the fan's not running. You can buy these in all kinds of different names and companies and stuff. I think Inkbird has one for like 19 bucks, but the reason I got this is the features. None of them offer the features this one does, of your controls, of your built-in relays. They are all pretty much just one output hot wire that you hook up to your compressor, and that's that. If you have an analog an analog AC unit, you don't need this or this. You don't need, because you can just use the fan switch that's in there, but because mine was digital, it would not allow the fan to run below 60 degrees. So I had to remove all that and put in my own switch.